Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated OnePlus 13T. The buzz around the OnePlus 13T has been steadily building, and for good reason. It appears OnePlus is aiming to deliver a true flagship experience in a more manageable and pocketable form factor, a welcome change for those who find modern smartphones increasingly large. Let's dive into our initial impressions based on what we know. Let's start with the design. OnePlus is offering the 13T in three sleek matte finishes: the subtle morning mist gray, the classic cloud ink black, and a rather striking special edition pink. What immediately stands out is its more compact form factor. It sports a flat 6.32 inches LTPO AMOLED display with slim bezels, making it a more pocketable flagship option compared to larger devices. It weighs approximately 185 grams. The screen boasts a 1440 by 2160 pixel resolution with a 120Hz dynamic refresh rate and supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HDR Vivid. It can reach a peak brightness of 1600 nits. The device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, coupled with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The iconic alert slider is replaced with a customizable multifunction button. It features a dual rear camera setup, 50-megapixel main sensor with multi-directional PDAF and OIS, 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. It also has a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, capable of 4K video recording. The OnePlus 13T packs a 6100 mAh silicon-carbon lithium-ion battery with support for 80-watt fast wired charging and 5 watts reverse wired charging. It has an impressive IP68, IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. The phone will run on Android 15 with either Oxygen OS 15 global or Color OS 15 in China. It supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and has a USB-C 2.0 port and an infrared port. It includes an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers with high-res audio, AI-powered circle-to-search, and dual SIM support with eSIM. The OnePlus 13T is shaping up to be a compact yet powerful flagship smartphone, focusing on delivering strong performance, a quality camera experience with a 2x optical zoom, excellent battery life, and a durable design. The removal of the alert slider is a significant change that will likely be a point of discussion among OnePlus enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.